Hello friends, my name is Ritu Sachdev and today here I am up with another tutorial on WordPress. I will show you how to create a website in WordPress. I will show you how to install that theme and customize it and make it your own website in that theme. Before we start, let me show you the website which we are going to create in this tutorial. This is the website I have designed for some consultancy service. Later on you can customize this website and you have your own text and images in this website. Here you can upload your own logo, have this social icons that will open link for this social pages, Facebook, Twitter, Google+. Here is the slider. You can change this slider. You can have your own images. I will show you how to have this. Here is menu bar which contains sub items and services. I will show you how to create this type of menu bar. Here is the contact page which contains address and a map. And here we have contact form so that anybody will fill it will be sent to us in our email address. In the sidebar, I have a YouTube video. I will show you how to embed this YouTube video and this Facebook like button so that anybody can like Facebook page from this website itself. You can also have your own widgets in this sidebar, but for the demo, I have these two widgets. In the footer, you can see summary of all the pages. Just to add more depth to the site, here I have copyright information. I will also show you how to hide the original text. Here it was, and have your own text or the name of company. So let's get started. Here I'm on my dashboard. I have already installed WordPress on my local host. To install WordPress on local host, you can watch my earlier tutorial on it. How to install WordPress on local host using web server. Now let's add a theme on which we are going to work. Appearance, themes, add new. Let's search for the theme Vantage. Here is the theme which I was looking for. Let's just install it. Let's activate it. Now let's visit our site. So this is the theme on which we are going to work. This is the home page and this is sample page. Now let's begin to customize it. Let's move to our dashboard. Let me have pages, add new. Let me have title to be RS Consultancy. Name of the firm. The title will be home, but let me write first RS Consultancy. Just in a moment, you will know why I have specified RS Consultancy here. Now for the text, let me have some dummy text. Let me go to my favorite site for Lorem generator. Let me copy text to clipboard. Let's hit publish. Now this page has been published. Now let's visit our site. See, this is the page which we have created is here, RS Consultancy. But now I want it to be the home page instead, rather than having these things on the home. So we will go to again dashboard, settings, reading, select a static page. On the front page we will select RS Consultancy and hit save changes. Now if we will visit our site now, then let's see what happens. Here is our home page and we have our content on the home page. Here is RS Consultancy, which was titled. Now let's begin to customize this home page. Let me select the text. Here are few options you can see. You can make any text bold, italic, and here in toolbar toggle you have several more options. Here is justify. So the text will be justified when I will hit it. The alignment for text will be justified. See, I can select and make any text bold, italic. Will work with this option. In some other pages we can have bulleted list, numbered list, several more options here. Now let's add an image on this page. Let me have my cursor where I want to have image, add media. Now it asks you to upload your files to the media library. Let's select and upload it from our computer. Now here I can give title, caption, alt text to this image, or I can also scale this image by clicking edit image. Let the title be RS Consultancy. Let's just copy it and let me have caption and alt text as same. Here is alignment option. I want it to be left aligned from the text. Let's insert. Here we have. Now I can also edit it again if I will select this image and click on this pencil icon. Again I have the same option where I want to align it, what caption I want, which alternative text I want. Now let's hit update. And view our page. Here is the first page. We will get rid of this comment box from all the pages in list. And in the sidebar we will work later when we will create all the pages. Now let's go to dashboard. Let's create another page. This was home page. Now let's have about us page. Again for the text, let's have dummy text. Let me have text to be justify. Have some image of company, building or organization. Add media. Upload file. Let me select file. Here it is. Let the caption be RS Consultancy. Same with the alt text. Alignment, let it be left. Link to media file. Let's insert. So now the image is too big, so I will edit this image again. Here I have more option, custom size. I want to display it by 400 by 300. I have set the width. It has adjusted the height automatically. Let's hit update. Here we have. Let's hit publish. Let's view our page now. So here is our about us page. Here is home page which we have created. Here is about us page. We will work on this slider in the last, when we will customize more our home page and footer area in logo and all. Here is about us page. Now let's add few more pages. Add new. Third page I want to have is of services, which will contain sub-menu items. Let me create first pages, then we will edit that pages. So here is services, publish, add new. Inside services I want 4 sub-menu items that are architecture, publish. Now let's again add new. Civil and structural engineering. Let's hit publish. Again add new. Financial management. Let's hit publish. You can also add your pages from here or here, any of the option. Project development and management. Let's add another page B, social and environmental management. These all will be the sub items of services. Now, after services tab, I want to have contact page. Let me create this and then let's preview. Contact us, which will contain a map and a contact form. Let's hit publish. Now let's visit our site. We will arrange this menu bars now. It has created all them in 2 lines, and we will get rid of this sample page. All these pages are empty as we have not inserted any content. So let's proceed further. Let's get rid of first sample page. Go to pages, all pages. Here we have sample page. Let's just move this item to trash. So it has been removed now. Let me show you up. See, we do not have sample page anymore. Now let's customize our menu bar. Let's go to, here we have direct option menus. Rather than going to dashboard, we can click menus directly. Here is the name of menu, menu 1, and all the items, all the pages which we have created. First page is RS Consultancy, the home page which we have customized. Second we want is About Us. Third page, then Services. Now I want to have sub menu items in this Services. Architecture is a sub menu item. So just to make it sub menu, we will just give little indent on sidebar. See, now this is a sub item of services. Similarly, civil and structural engineering. Third, financial management. Fourth, project development. Fifth, social and environmental management. Now let's visit our site and check what this RS Consultancy twice is. Let's create menu first. And let us also go to manage location, and here let's have menu 1 in primary menu. Let's save changes. Let's visit our site now. Here is RS Consultancy, About Us, Services. Okay. Contact, let's go to menus again. Let's hit view all. Let me just remove this RS Consultancy and from here also. And now inside view all, here is home RS Consultancy. I want to add it to menu. Now let's have navigation label to be home. Now that will work perfectly fine. Let's save our menu. Let's visit our site. Here we have home now. In home we have our content, RS consultancy and blah blah blah. Here is about us page, services which is empty, sub item of services. Here is contact us. Let's hit on services. Edit page. We can also edit this page directly from here. Now for services, let me have some text. Following are the services which we provide. Let me just copy and paste some content. These are the sub menu items which we have created. Architecture, civil and structural engineering, blah blah. Now let's add some dummy content inside this items. Let me have dummy text from here. Copy, paste, same for all. Now let's make this text to be bold, italic and have underline on it. As these are the headings. Now let's make this text to be justify. You can also change the color of the text. Here we have option text color. If we will not be satisfied, we will change it, but let's have it for now. Now let's hit update. Let's view our page. So this is the services page. Now let's go to architecture page. Let's hit edit. Again, let's have some dummy content for this architecture page. Copy text to clipboard. Paste it here. Now let the text align to be justify. Now let's have image here. Let me have my cursor where I want to have some image. Add media. Let's upload file. Select file. Here I have some relevant image. Let the title be Architecture. Caption and all text be same. Alignment left. Let's insert into page. Let's hit update and take a look. Here is architecture page. Services, architecture. Now let's go to civil and structural engineering. Again hit edit. Have some dummy text. Let's hit add media so that we can put some relevant media file. Upload the file. Let the caption be civil structural engineering. All text be same. Let's insert into page. Let the text alignment be justify. Let's update it and view our page. Here we have. Let's go to financial management, edit page. Let's have dummy text. Let's insert media, upload file. For financial management, I got the image. Let's insert into page. I guess image is too big. Let's just edit it and let me have custom size to be 350. As I adjusted the width, it has automatically adjusted the height according to the image. Let's hit update. Let the text alignment be justify. Let's hit update. Now let's view our page. So here is financial management. Now let's have project development and management, edit page. Have my dummy text. Add media, upload file, select file. Here is the image. Let me just copy it, paste it, project, development and management. Let me just copy it, paste it. Let's insert into page. Again, I want to customize the size. Just click on it. Custom size. I want to have it by 350. Let's hit update. Update again. Let's view our page now. Let me have text aligned to be justified. Let's again hit edit. Let me select all the text and justify it. Let's hit update. Now view our page. Here we have. Now let's have social and environmental management. Edit page. Very quickly, let me copy text and paste it. Align, justify, add media. Here is the image for social and environmental management. Let the alignment be left. Let's insert into page. Let's update it. Let's view our page. So now we have to work on this contact page. Now as all the pages are created, let's just first get rid of this comment box. Then we will work inside contact us page. To get rid of this comment box, we will go to dashboard, pages, all pages. Here in quick edit, here is the option allow comments. Let's just uncheck it and update from each and every page. I guess all the pages are done. Let's preview our site. See, we have no more comment box on about us page, not on services, architecture. Not even on contact us. Now let's just edit this contact us page. I want to give some address here, then want to insert some map and then contact form. Let me have some dummy address. Now let's insert map. To insert map, let's go to maps.google.com. The site has directed me to www.google.com/maps. Here is the location I have given, Vijayanagar. Now let's go to share and embed. Here embed map. I have the code. I have to copy it and paste it. Make sure guys you are in text mode, as I am pasting some code which is HTML code. I cannot paste it in visual mode. The things will not work if I will paste in visual mode. Let's just paste it here. I can also adjust the width and height from here or from that site also in that code. Let's hit update and let's view our page now. So here we have the map. Here is the location which I have specified. Now let's have contact form. Let me have one more text before this address. Name of the contact person. Fine. Now to have contact form, we have to install a plugin. Let's go to plugin. Let's hit add new. I already know the best contact form plugin, that is contact form 7. Let's search plugin contact form 7. Here we have. Let's just install it. Yes, you can also always see the ratings of the plugins to know the best form for you or best plugin for you. Let's activate the plugin. The moment I activate it, here I have contact form 7 in dashboard. Contact form. We can also customize this form or just go to edit. Check the email address you want to receive your mail. The things may not work offline as I am working on localhost, but when we will create our site directly on server or later on upload it to server, the things will work very properly. Just check the email address, copy this code. You can also customize this form, but let me copy this code for now. Go to my pages, all pages. Here I have contact us page, edit. I can paste this code in visual mode or text mode in any of the mode, as this is the code given by the WordPress itself, and this was the code which I have copied from some outsourced website. Now let me have some text. Please fill up this contact form if you have any queries. If you have any queries. Now let's just paste the chunk of code which we have copied in contact plugin. Let's hit update. Let's view our page now. So here is the map, and now we have contact form also. If anybody will fill it, that will be sent to us in our email address. Now all the pages are ready. About us, services, contact us. Now we will work on this right sidebar, then header and footer area. For changing this right sidebar, let's go to widgets, or I can go to dashboard, appearance, here widget. Now this is sidebar. It contains all the items which we have in sidebar. We have search box, recent posts, recent comments, archives, categories, meta. Let's just remove it one by one and have our own sidebar. To remove it, just simply select it and drag it on the right side. Let me show you a preview. See, our sidebar is empty. We have no sidebar. Now let's have our own widget items in sidebar. Let's again go to widgets. Now inside sidebar, as I have told you, I will tell you how to embed a video. You can have anything in your sidebar, but for this tutorial I am embedding a YouTube video. To embed a video, obviously I need to have some editor here. If we will go and have text editor here, I can simply drag all the widgets which I want here. You can see here I don't have visual editor. To have the visual editor, let's install a plugin so that we can visually edit anything. Let's just close this. Let me just remove this text. See, if I want to have calendar, I can have calendar here. It's a personal choice which you want to have it in your sidebar. Let's have calendar for demo. Then later I will embed a YouTube video. Let's visit our site. See what it looks like now. See, we have calendar and today's date. But I don't want to have calendar here. So let me again go to widget area. Remove this calendar from here. Let me install a plugin. As I said, I want to have visual editor here rather than having text. It's a text, arbitrary text or HTML. Let me go to plugin, add new, search for the Black Studio. It's Black Studio Tiny MCE. I know the best one. Let's search it and install it. Here I have. Let's install now. Yes, you can see the ratings again. Let's activate this plugin. Now let's go to our widget area, appearance, widgets. See, here we have visual editor, arbitrary text or HTML with visual editor. Let's just drag it here. Now we can embed any code here and we have visual editor also. HTML mode, visual mode. To embed a YouTube video, let's go to YouTube site. Let me go to my channel. I will embed any video of mine. Let's just embed this video. Learn to create complete responsive website in WordPress using responsive theme. I know this video is not the relevant one to the content of our website, but for the demo I'm having this. Let's go to share, embed. Here is the code. Let's just copy this code. And go to our WordPress widgets. Here in visual editor, inside HTML, let me have this code. As again I am copying this code from some outsource. So in HTML mode, let's just paste it. Now let me have HTTP before it, as YouTube does not have HTTP column here. Just for the safety, I'm having HTTP. Sometimes things may not work if there is no HTTP before this code. Now width and height I want to have is 560 is too broad. I can also adjust width from here also, or video size or custom size, right? But I have already pasted the code, so let me have now width to be 350 by 250. Find us on YouTube. Let's hit save. And let's visit our site now. See, we have our YouTube video now. We can click it and play this video. Right, for now I'm just pausing it. Let's go to again our widget and customize it more. Now I want to have Facebook like button here on sidebar. So let's just go to google.com. Let me Google something. Facebook like box. Here is the developer site. Let's just go to there. Now we have to give our URL address here instead of there. Here is my Facebook URL address. Let me just copy it. and let me just paste it. This is my page. For example, I'm using my page. We can assign width and height. For width and height, let me have 350 for the width and 300 for the height. This is show header, show border. These are the options. You can check it and check on. Now show post, and let's hit get code. Let's have iframe rather than having this extra stuff. A very simple iframe code. Copy it and let me have my visual editor tab again here in this sidebar, so that I can paste this code. Make sure you are in HTML mode. Paste it. Connect with us on Facebook. Let's hit save. Let's visit our site. See, here we have now Facebook like box. It has not adjusted the height, I guess. Let's go to visit area and connect with us on Facebook. Let's see the height here. Height 558. The height I want to have is 300. Width 350. Fine. Let's hit save. Now let's visit our site again. Yeah, now the height has been adjusted. So now we have the same sidebar in each and every page, which contains these two widgets. Now let's have the fun part. Change this header and this footer. For that, let's go to themes. Here in theme settings, this is Vantage theme settings. We can upload any logo. Inside logo, let's choose image, upload file, select. I'm having some dummy logo. Let me just select it. You can have your logo of your own choice on project. Let the caption be RS. No, we don't want to have any caption. Let the alt text be logo. Let's set logo. Retina logo is for Vantage premium ones. If you buy this site, here is the theme creator, site origin. So just let's leave it for now. Here is the header text. In the right, you have seen call me maybe. We can have any text, our contact number, but rather we will have social icons here. I will also show you how to customize that and have social icons instead. For now, let me have some some contact number. Let's save setting and let me preview up this much for now. See, here is contact number, here is the logo which we have uploaded. Now let's just have social icons here instead. As I have told you, we will customize it and have social icons. To have social icons, let's go to our widgets. This is the header. So we have to customize our header. Earlier we have customized sidebar. Now to customize header and to have social icons here we have Vantage social media. Let's just drag it on header, on the title, connect with this. Here is the icon size, it's medium. Now let's have URL address for all these pages. Here's my Facebook URL address. I'm giving my URL address for all these pages. My Facebook page. Here I have my Twitter page. And here I have link for my Google Plus page. Let's hit save and let's hit open a new window and let's hit save. Now let's visit our site. See, now in header we have these three icons which will open relevant pages for the link which we have given. See, it's Twitter page is open now. It's my Twitter page. Here plus page. So this is how it works. We have this on all the pages, right? Now let's customize this footer. Let's add more depth to our footer area. Let's go to widgets, add some depth in footer. Let's have our visual editor. Title, home. Now for the text, again I am having some dummy text. Let me have again visual editor, have page about me, sorry, about us, Now let's visit our site before going further. Okay, so far so good. Let me again go to widget. As there are two items, so they are adjusted with the width. Now let's have our third item. Services. Here are the services items. Let's just save it. Now let's add one more visual editor and have it for contact page. Having some dummy text. Let's just save it. Now let's visit our site. You can see I have got an issue. The text color for this home and about us is different from this to other. Now let's just solve this issue. Let's go again to widget area. Let's see our home page. Let's see our HTML mode. Okay, here is the black color. #000 is the black color for the text. Let me go to services, check the HTML. PP. So for paragraph the default color is gray. Here we don't have any color mentioned. Let's go to home page again. Let me remove this color, span style. Be careful when you are working in HTML mode. As I have removed opening tag for this span, I have to also remove this closing tag. This is the closing tag. Here is opening P, closing P. Let me just save it and let's preview our website. Okay, so here we have. Let's do it same for about us. HTML mode. Here span color black. Let me just remove it. Closing span. Now the opening P tag and closing P tag, which stands for paragraph. Here is the visual mode, HTML mode. Let's save it up. Let's visit our site now. So now this adds more depth to our site. As it's a personal preference of mine, you may or may not have this details of all the pages in the footer. Now let's change this a site origin theme. For that, let me go to dashboard. Let's go to appearance editor. Now guys, this is what we are going to do is something very tricky and very risky too. So pay attention. I will give you the tips so that we will not mess up the code. See here, go to Appearance, Editor. Here we have Style Sheets. We have to go for parts/footer.php. Here is footer.php. We don't want footer.php. We have to go parts/footer.php. Just scroll down, you will find this file. Just select it. Now the editor has opened the coding for this footer.php. Just select all this code, copy it and paste it somewhere so that you will have the backup. If in case you will mess up any code, you can again copy and paste this code here. The site will be as it is then. That will be a backup copy for you. Now we have to change the text, site origin. Here in this area you will see then anchor tag for link is given, site origin http siteorigin.com. If we will click on that text, that will open this site. Now we will change this text. Just @ instead of site origin, have your own name. You can have any text. Just for this I am using my name to explain you how you can change the things. I will have my own website, ritusachdev.com. Let's just update it. Let's visit our site now. Alright, here I have @ritusachdev. I want to get rid of this theme word. Again, let me go to Dashboard, Appearance, Editor. Here it was parts/footer.php. Let's just remove this theme and let's hit update file. Let's visit our site now. Here we have theme is now removed. You can have any text of yours, and when I will click it, it will open my website. As we have given the link ritusachdev.com. This is my site on the server. Let's go back to our website. Now the thing left with us is to change this slider. To change the slider, we have to install a plugin, Meta Slider, for it. Let's go to Dashboard. Go to Plugins, Add New. Let's search Meta Slider. That will allow us to customize our slider. Let's just install it. Yes, we want to install it. Now activate this plugin. Here we have Meta Slider now. Now Let's go to Appearance, Themes, Appearance, Theme Settings. Here in Layout we have few more options. We can make it responsive if you want, if you don't want. Layout bound is full width. If you don't want it to be in full, you can have it boxed. But it's a personal preference of mine to have full width, so it will occupy all the width of the screen. Now for slider, let's just go to Home. Here we have Demo Slider and None. Let's go to our Meta Slider then. Create your first slideshow. Let's click on it. Let's add slide. It will ask you to upload the file. Let's select the files we want to have it on our slider. Here I have my images. I want to have this 5 images on my slider. I already have the images. Now add the slider. Here are few settings. Width, let's have it 1000 pixels. Height, you can have any of the height, 300, 400. That will increase the height of slider. Here are the effect. We are allowed to do only fade and slide. Let's have fade. Theme, let's have Vantage Flex. Now if you want to have arrow on your slider or not, it's up to you. Navigation, if you want to have this navigation hidden, or if you want to have dots. Here we have advanced setting. Here autoplay, it's if you want to have pause on hover or not. When you will have mouse cursor on it, it will pause. If you will click it, if you uncheck it, it will not pause. The slider will move on continuously. Here is the slide delay. You can change the speed and slide delay 3000 milliseconds, and animation speed is 600 ms. You can change it if you want to change the time. Here is slide direction horizontal. This is the speed curve. Linear is the speed curve, that is with the same speed. There are several more options you can try if you want. Let's have linear, the default one. Now you can see some error here as I am working offline, but that won't affect. You can give name to this slider if you want, slider 1, else it will be new slider, default name for this. Let's hit save for our slider. You can save and preview also. Now let's go to our appearance, theme settings. Here in home, now we have slider 1. Let's save setting. Let's visit our site now. Here is, we have our images on slider. Now if you want to change the sequence of the images, simply again you can go to dashboard. meta slider and drag and drop this images in the sequence you want to have. Or if you want to remove an image, you can click on this cross. And if you want to add more images, you can have add slide. So now this is my first image, protection with the right something something, having some text on it. Now let's save our slider. Let's preview our site now. See, the first image is the right protection starts with the right plan. So this is done, friends. And if you like this video of mine, do thumbs it up. And if you want to learn these subjects directly from me, do contact me. And do not forget to subscribe me. Have a good day. Bye-bye.